Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you Smokey eye look tutorial. So if you are interested in that, please keep watching. And this makeup look right here is Diwali makeup look, like it's a simple Diwali makeup look. It's not too much, So if you want to check it out, you guys can head to my Instagram to see how did I get this makeup look. And for this video, for the Smokey eye look tutorial, please keep watching. Now I'm gonna do a smoky eye. So I'm just gonna take this brown color here and put this color as my transition color. Now after the transition color, I will be taking this dark color. It looks a little black. So I will take this color here. I will be applying it with the same brush, blending brush. I will be applying it in the outer corners of my transition line. I'm gonna take a little concealer and put it here so that it gives my eyeshadow a little wing-like shape. So I applied my eyeliner, but I forgot to put this color into my inner eyelids. So I'm gonna do it right now. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this smoky eye makeup tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and recreate this makeup look. If you do, send me a picture on my Instagram so that I can look at your beautiful faces. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, bye, see you in my next video.